Hey everyone, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting Wallpaper. We're in Elgin at the Haight. It's a wedding event center downtown Elgin that we're putting some wallpaper up. So I'm gonna go inside. We'll do a couple videos of some of the rooms we're doing. You can kind of see what it looks like. Let's go take a peek. Let's go! All right, so here is the first wallpaper installation. It's just an accent wall in a bathroom. And again, we're at the Haight here in Elgin, so it's kind of a cool area, big wedding venue. It's a cool place. If you haven't been here, you got to go. So this is room number 1, and let's go check out the other one. All right, so here's room number 2 that Israel's working on. So it's a peel and stick wallpaper. So it's almost 10 feet high. Kind of an interesting thing. They took off the handrails for us, but still makes it interesting behind the toilet. Some of the peel and sticks, I think this was spoon flour, I think. So it's kind of interesting. You really have to make sure you measure your walls correctly. You can kind of see from the top, there's not a lot of excess up there to cut off. So when you're measuring your rooms, make sure you add 5-6 inches, because just in case, like this room, it's not square. So it kind of goes like this and kind of goes like this. So you want to make sure you have extra. So once we center it, level it, you have enough paper left, right, up, and down. So here's one other room downstairs. We'll take a look at that one real quick, just for some ideas on what you can do with your office or venue for wallpaper. All right, and here's the third area. So this is another common bathroom. Accent wall. This was another peel and stick. I don't remember this one was from, but it's a peel and stick wallpaper that Israel put up yesterday. He's got 2 more rooms that he's doing. So when we're done, we'll take a video of those 2 rooms. But again, just kind of see just a fun way to liven up an area, whether it's a venue, whether it's your home, business. Accent wallpapers are great. If you got questions about wallpaper installation in general, give us a call at DeFranco Painting Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. God bless, and you guys have a great day.